Good morning students. Today will start a new exercise 6.4, and find the square root. The first question is find the square root of each of the following number by divisional method. In previous exercise you have find the square root by the prime factor method, and this exercise will be use a new method, division method. Okay, will we start to division method. First will be learn the table which number will be square of 1 square is 1, is 2 square is 4, and 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, and 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, and 10 square is 100. This table we first use, this table is learn, then they start the exercise. Is the first question is 2304. Okay, in division method first will be write this type shape and number and make a pair. Here the 4 numbers, they making the pair will be start to right hand side is pair of 2 pair. Okay, here is a 4 numbers, they are easily pair making, but agar there are 3 numbers 3 4 5, you make a first will be 2 pair and last will be single. Suppose the number of 3 4 5 6 7 8, okay, and 7, to make a right hand side to first pair, second pair, third, and last will be single number is a 1 pair. Okay, in division method you have solve divide to pair. Okay, then be 25 is 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and 4 square is 16, and 5 square is 25. Is 25 is greater than 23, so you have choose a number is 4, and 4 4 ja 16, divide. After subtraction 23 subtract 16 is 7. Okay, and important terms will this 4 will be add for this number is 4 will be add is number is 8. Okay, this is a complete first step will be complete. Second step, the next pair is 0 4, you have 0 4 whole pair will be right, and this is 4. अब you choose the next number, which number will be divided to 704. There are 4 is 4 will come to is 2 and 8. Okay, suppose you write the 2 here, number 2, and this place will be same number, you write the 2 and 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 8 is 16. It is a very small number, that you write the 8. This number will be right here we write. Okay, then 8 8 is 64 and 6 carry, and 8 8 is 64 and 6 is a 70. This is the whole divide. It's mean the root of 2304 by division method is a square root of 48. Okay, next is question number second is number is 3481, 3481. Again same method, you draw the diagram and will 3481. First will we make a pair. Okay, right hand side to left hand side 2 numbers 34. You find the 34 is between 25 to 36. So this you find the number is the smallest number, you 5, and there is 5. Both are same number, 5 5 is 25. Okay, and 34 minus 25 is 9. Okay, now next will be write the pair is 81. Okay, and this number is 5 to add 5 is number is 10. Okay, now next is 1 is a 2 here, is 1 square, and 9 square is a unit digit is 1. The 1, you suppose you write the 1, that here to write 1, and here to write the 1. So 1 is very small number, you write the 9. Okay, that 9 nines are 81, 81 is 1, 8 carry, 9 multiply 0 is equal to 0, you write the 8 and 9 ones are 9. Okay, so that is the finish, and you write a root of 3481 is equal to 59. Okay, continue third question. 3 numbers you write is 32 49, 32 49, 3249, and same method you draw the first bracket and 3 2 4 9. First step, you make a pair. Pair is a right hand to left hand side, two numbers will be pairs. And first you search 32, where is the 32? 32 will come to 35 to 36. So you choose the number is smallest number is 5, you write 5, 5 5 is 25, and subtract 32 to minus 35 is 7. Okay, and this number will be add, that number is 10. And next step is write down the pair. Here pair is a 49, and 49, the 9 will come in two place, 3 and 7. Okay, suppose you have get the 3, the 3 1 the 3 is 7 is very greater than, you choose the number of 7 is 7, 7 is 49, you multiply 104 into 107 into 7, 7 7 is 49, and 7 4 and 7 749, you write 749 and subtract is finish, and then write the root of 3249 is equal to 57. 5776, 576. Okay, 5776. Again you draw 5776 and make a pair. First step you make a pair, and second step you choose the 757 is which number? 57 is between 49 to 64, means your number is first divisible number is 7, you write 7, 7 7 is 49. Okay, then 49 7 and 57 to minus 49 is equal to 1 is 57. Subtracts rough, no rough work is very important. The 17 is 8. Okay, and only 8. This number is 57, subtract to 49 is 8, and 76. Next pair is 76, and this number will be add 7, 7 7 14. Okay, and you search 6, where is the come to 6 is 6 is 4, is first number is 4 and second is a 6. Okay, so you choose the, suppose you choose the 4, suppose you choose the 4, that the 4 here number is 1 4 4, 4 4 is 16, 1 4 4 is 16 and 17, 4 1 is 4 and 5, the number is 576. So you choose the number is 6, number is 676. The 6 here is 6 6 is 36 and carry 3, and 6 4 is 24, 24 and 3 is 27 and carry 2, and 6 1 is 6 and 2 8. The full divide will be 8 7 and 6. It's mean your answer is 576. Root of 5776 is 76. Okay, now next number is 3-digit number. Okay, that the 5 question of 5th is number is 576. 576. First we will draw the lines and write the number is 576 and make a pair. First two right hand side two number is first pair and last 5 is a single digit, is a single number. Okay, and 5 will be come to 4 to 9. So first will be divided to 2 is 2 2 is 4 is only 1 and second is 76. Okay, and then the 2 plus this number is 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, and next will be 6. Okay, the 6 will be 2 come is first will be 4 and second is a 6. The two numbers 4 and 6 will be square of 4 and 6 will unit digit is 6. Here it come to 6. So suppose you choose the 4 you choose the 4, their number is 4 and here 4 is means 44 into 4 is 176. Okay, so your answer you write is a 4, here is a 4 and 4 4 is 16, 1 4 4 is 16 and 17. It's mean your answer is correct, is root of 576 is equal to 24. Okay, it's mean the square of 24 is 576. And next is question number 6. Again number is 3136. 3136. The same process, and 3136 first we will make a pair in right hand side to left hand side. Two numbers will be one pair and first we will choose 31. Where come to 31 will become between 25 to 36. So you write first time is divided by 5, the 5 5 is 25 and they come after subtraction is come is 6 is pair of 36. Okay, and this 5 will be add and your number is 10. Again will be 6. The 6 number is unit digit of 6 is 2 place 4 and 6. The square of 4 is 16 and square of 6 is 36. The unit digit is 6. So write the 6. 6 will be right 6 6 is 36. 3 carry then 3 and 6 1 is 6. They cancel. It's mean your 3136 root of 3136 is equal to 56. Number is 7 is number is 7921. 7921. Okay, now solve. Okay, now solve 7 9 21. First step is make a pair. Okay, and 79 you search the 79 is between 64 to 81. So this number is 8. So first will be choice the number is 8. Okay, 8 here to 8 8 8 just 64 and 8 will be sum, they come 8 8 the 8 8 16. Okay, 9 is 5 and 1 is 21. Second pair is a 21 and last will be 1. Two numbers will become to 1. 9 is 9 and 1. That 1 here to 1 and here 1 is number is 9 and 1. Suppose you have choose the 1 is very small number, you choose the 9. The 9 9 is 81 is 1 8 carry and 9 6 is 56. And then after this multiply 121 is cross and write the 7921 root of 7921 is 89. Okay, and again will be 3 digit number is 8 is 900. Okay, now solve 900. First you pair to 00 and only 9. Okay, that 9 will become to 3. That write the 3 and 3, that 9 is and 00 you add the 3 and 6, and they will only for the 0, double 0 square of 0, and your answer is 900. Root of 900 is equal to 30. Okay, next number is, that is a question number 9. This next number is 1024. 1024. So first we will draw a line is 1024. First we will make a pair. Okay, and 10 between 9 to 16. So you choose the number is 3. That 3 3 is a 9 is 1, and next pair is a 24. Next pair is a 24, and 3 will come that, and 3 3 6. After add 3 3 to 6, and 4 is come to 4 is here, and 8 means 2 number choice, 2 and 8. Suppose you write the 8, the 8 8 the 8 6 the 48. Here is the 48 is the biggest number. You choose the 2, and 2 2 2 is a 4, and 2 6 is a 12. They finish, and your answer is 1024. Root of is equal to 32. Okay, and remaining question of first question is your solve in homework. If any problem you ask to me. Question number second, the question number second, find the number of the digit in a square root. Find the number of the digit, a 1 number, 2 number, 3 numbers in the square root of the each of the following number without any calculation. Without any calculation. Number of digit means they are find square root is 1 digit, square root of 2 digit, square root of 3 digit. So they are simple. 64. Okay, same method will be make a pair. This is the pair of 1. It's mean number of digit is 1. Okay, now next is make a pair of right to hand. One pair and single number is a 2. That the number of digit is 2 because 2 pair. Here number of digit in square root is 2 pair is a 2. Okay, next is a number of digit in square root 1 2 and single word 2, that is the 3 digit. And last is number of digit in square root 1 pair, second pair and 3 pair. That the answer is 3 pair. Suppose example in number is 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 3 4 5. Okay, so simply you make a pair, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5 pair, and lastly 6. It's mean number of digit in square root how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, one example that 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so the 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, it means 3 digit. Suppose 1 number, so you have make a 1, it means the number of digit is 1. Question number 3, find the square root of the following a decimal number. Okay, in the decimal number, that the first question is 2.56. 2.56 in a rough work will be 2.56 you write. Suppose will be 2.56 is 256 upon 100, and square root of the 100 is a 10. Okay, so in solve by the division method. The first will be division method. You draw 256 and make a pair. Okay, and the table is 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square is 64 and 9 square is 81 and 10 square is equal to 100. Okay, according to table, then the first number is make a pair. 56 is the first pair, is a pair of two number, and 2 will come to is 1, that 1 is 1. Okay, 2 subtract 1 is equal to 1, that the 1 is add is a 2. Next pair is 56, next pair is a 56, and 6 will become two numbers, is 1 is 6 and 6 will be 6. So you choose the number is 4 and 6, that is the 6 6 is the 36, 3 carry, 6 to the 12 and some 3 is 15, 156. After subtraction your answer is 0. This means you write 2.56 root of is equal to 1.6. Okay, and next will question is second is 7.29. Okay, same method, 7.29 and make a pair. 29 is a first pair and 7 is a second pair, then 7 will come between 4 to 9. So you choose the 2 and 2 to the 4, 7 minus 4 is 3, 2, 9, 29 is second pair, is 2 is add is 4, and 9, the 9 will come to 3 numbers, 3 and 7. Okay, that you choose 7 is 7, 7 is 49 is 4, 7 4 is 28 and 4 is 32 minus cancel. Okay, it's mean you write the in 729 is equal to 2.7. Okay, 2.7, and next number is 51.84. 51.84 is a number. Again you draw a line and 51.84. 51.84, the first pair is 84 and second pair is a 51. That 51 will come between 7 to 8. So mean smallest number is 7, that is 7 7 is 49. 51 minus 49 is equal to 2. So 284. Okay, and there 7 is add 7 7 is 14, and 4 will come 8, 4 will come 8 and 2. Okay, there is a 1 is to choose the 2, the 2 here, 2 2 is a 4, 2 4 is a 8 and 2 1 is a 2. After cancellation is the answer is, it's mean the root of 51.84 is equal to 70.7.2. Okay, total 5 question, 3 question I will solve and 2 question will be you homework and try. Next question, that find the length of the side of the square whose the area is a 441. The question number 6. Okay, they given the find the length of the side. So first you draw a simple diagram of a square. A square is a all sides are equal. It means suppose mean A, B, C and D. The side of AB is equal to CD and BC and equal to D, means all sides are equal. So this is the suppose, let this is suppose X, that side be X, and the area is a 441 meter square. Okay, so write the let the length of the square is x meter. Okay, in according to question is area of square is side into side. It's mean the area of square is given that 441 and side is x into x, and 441 is equal to x square. Okay, it's mean that is a x square is equal to root of 441. Okay, and find the square root of 441 and division method. Okay, first you make a pair will be make to right to left. First is 2 to the 4 is finished, second pair is 41 and here 2 is 4. Okay, and only one time, that is the 141. It's mean that the square is that x is equal to root of that x is equal to 21 meter. So that this is length of square is 21 meter. Question number 7. In a right triangle of triangle ABC, in the angle of B is a 90 degree. So first you draw a triangle is the angle of B. Which type of triangle? Right angle. Right angle is one angle is a 90 and other two sides are different to you, angle of 90. Its question is asked that angle of B is equal to 90, that is the point of B is a compulsory to write the angle of B, and A and C is a other points, and given the length is AB is equal to, if the length of AB is equal to is this is the 6 centimeter. Okay, and second length is BC is equal to 8 centimeter. So then find the value of C. Okay, in a triangle is a triangle ABC. In a triangle ABC is angle of B is equal to 90. Okay, so using a Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is in right angle triangle, its side is this is the side of H is the hypotension is the base, and this is the side of the P for perpendicular, that the hypotension is square in base is square and plus perpendicular square. It is the Pythagoras theorem. So you put the value is H, the value of H is not given, that the write the AC square is equal to B for BC square and plus is given AB square. Okay, then AC is not AC square, BC is 8 centimeter, 8 square plus 6 square. 8 square means 8 into 8, 6 into 6. Okay, then be 8 is 64 and plus 6 into 6 is 36. Sum, after the sum the value of 100, it's mean AC square is 100 and only AC is equal to root of 100. Okay, and root of 100, you find the value of AC. AC is a square root of 100. You write AC is equal to 100 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. After prime factor method, 5 5 is 25, 25 2 is 50, 50 2 is 100. So you make a pair and the value of 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Okay, is the value of 10. This is the value of AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Second question is question B. Is AB, again he in the right angle. First you draw a right angle. First you draw a right angle, that the angle of B is 90 and A the point of B. Okay, and given that the AC is equal to, length of AC is a 13 centimeter and BC is a 5 centimeter. You find the value of AB. Okay, again will we use the in triangle ABC is angle B is equal to 90 using which theorem? Using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. In the Pythagoras theorem is the in a right angle triangle that the value of H is a hypotension square, the base is square and perpendicular square. In this triangle is the base, this is the base and this is the hypotension perpendicular, and this is the hypotension. Okay, and put the value of that, the value of is 13 square. Okay, and value of B is a 5 square plus the value of x square. That because PC is a AB is equal to x square. You write the one line is a side, no problem. This 13 is square means 13 to multiply 13, 5 multiply 5 and plus x square. 13 into 13 is 169 is equal to 25 plus x square, and 169 minus 25 is equal to x square. Okay, and 169 minus 25 is 144 is equal to x square. This means that x square is equal to 144, that x is equal to root of 144, and root of 144 you have find the prime factor method. Division method is not important. 144 is first will be 2 is 72 and 2 is 36, then 2 18, again 2 is 9 is 3, then 3 and 3 1 ja 3. So you write the x is equal to root of value of 2 into 2, how many times? The 4 times 2 and 2 times of 3, and another make the pair in 3 pairs. Okay, then you write x is equal to 2 into 3, that x is equal to 2 2 is a 4, 4 3 is a 12 meter. If the value of x is a, that given the AB is equal to 12 meter. The value of AB is equal to 12 meter, and in this exercise remaining question will be solved in next class.